Hey everybody, it's Brian from Cruisin with the Colemans, and I am here today taking a look at Coachmen Apex model units with Max Keagle, and we're talking about just all of the upgrades and new standard features that are coming across the entire Apex line. Max, what can customers look for when they're looking at things on the lot?
Well, we've got a whole slew of new changes and upgrades that we've made to our lineup this year. First and foremost, I have to tell you that Apex actually has 6 brand new floor plans coming out this year, which is a lot of new floor plans for a model year change. But we felt that there were some holes that were needed. We felt that there were some floor plans that need updated and upgraded based on what the market needs were. And so 6 new floor plans right out the gate, which is really, really exciting. 4 new ultralights and 2 new nanos. So wow. Yeah, that's really cool. But as far as the individual product itself, kind of brand wide, we've introduced a lot of new standards, like our upgraded 15K AC is now a standard. No matter what Apex you buy, you have the upgraded AC. You also have air fryers are now being standard. Smart TVs in every single unit that typically comes with a TV will have a smart TV. We've upgraded our lighting. We've actually doubled the lumens in our lighting so that you can see everything, not lose anything, and be nice and bright in here. We've also done things like improve our cabinetry with the catches and handles. We've added a narrow cooktop inside of here, which is really great. And we've also done some smaller things that are a little bit hard to find. One of my favorites is actually our wardrobe shelves. So every single unit comes with a wardrobe. We're now just providing a removable shelf in those wardrobes so that you can choose whether you're gonna hang your clothes or fold them and put them in. So it's those kinds of things that customers can expect to see this fall, really, with all our entire lineup. Small things that are gonna improve your storage, improve your experience overall, really, and hopefully be affordable and be something that's very attractive to everyone.
Well, and there's already great standard features like the 12-volt refrigerators, the solar coming standard on every unit.
Absolutely.
Backup camera preps. The ultralights have the hitch receiver prep on them.
That's correct. Yeah, actually my dual axle nanos all have it now too.
Wow.
So that's a cool little upgrade, and having that little hitch prep is great if you want to bring a bike rack or like an extra storage rack for the back end. A lot of times that's a really expensive upgrade because you got to weld into your frame, then you're doing things like voiding warranties, and it just can get very complicated. So we now, having that as a standard come from us at the factory, your frame's already beefed up, you've already got everything you need to just throw a nice receiver on there. So it's things like that, like I said, trying to help improve that ownership experience.
So what are some of the new things that you've done in this rig to keep it current, to keep it relevant, to make it even better?
Well, the first thing right out the gate, we did have to add our Apex super bed storage, which has been a very, very popular feature. And when this floor plan came out, that wasn't even a thing yet. You know, we didn't even have that. And now that we've added it into our lineup, it just makes sense to apply it to this floor plan. So we've now got the underbed storage up front in the master bedroom. We've also actually added a bank of drawers in the bedroom as well, which is really cool. And that's actually on your dividing wall with your kitchen. Another thing that we've done that's pretty exciting, we've added more windows because, once again, that's been a newer market trend, is that everybody just wants as many windows as possible. So we've added windows to the slide out side walls, which is good. And then we've also added a large window in the bathroom. And bathroom windows can be a finicky thing, but this one's on the rear wall and it's a big window and it lets in a ton of natural light and good airflow. And we have done stuff to this floor plan, you know, over the course of time for years. Like last year, we added in the fireplace. That was, you know, something, of course, we would have it in here. And, you know, we're still trying to maintain that direct view entertainment, but what can we do to increase storage and increase functionality? So we've always had a walk-in pantry in this floor plan behind the television. This year, we've actually added washer-dryer prep to that walk-in pantry, which is a really cool new feature. It's still a walk-in pantry, and then if you decided to add a washer-dryer combo to it, the shelves just come right out. They pop right out, no screws, no nothing. All you can do is just lift them out, and a washer-dryer will slide right in. As far as I can tell, what I can see so far, this Apex 265 will be the lightest travel trailer on the market that you can buy with washer-dryer prep.
Well, and even with the washer dryer, I've got the tankless water heater now.
Absolutely,
too.
You do.
So, I mean, talk about some bougie camping.
Yeah, well, you know, we're trying to upgrade things every year and still keep it within a very competitive price point, and I think we've achieved that this year.
Now, I know that most of these units are going to be on the lots in the dealerships. Where else can I come to see them?
Well, these units are all going to be available to see this fall at the big Hershey show in Hershey, Pennsylvania. We're also really going to be rolling them out to make sure that all fall events for all of your local dealers are going to have this new product on it. You're also going to be able to come see us in the new year during show season, during the big season when RV shows are happening all over the country, really all over North America. And we're very excited to be showcasing these new floor plans and new features.
leave us a comment down below. Let us know what you want to see in future models and what you love about these current models. And check out our playlist for tours of all the floor plans that we've been able to see so far. Plus, we're going to be coming up with some new ones that you're going to see in the future too.